Welcome back, guys, and this is the last episode of the unboxing series of the very special Gundam and ROG collaboration. Again, we have the RX 78-2 chassis right here. Let me remove mousepad. Let me lift the chassis up. Boom! The largest box of this cool PC build. Again, an extra large Gundam background, the Gundam of the suit, leather, the ROG logo eye. The casing has Aurosync. This is the ROG STRIX HELIOS Gundam Edition. So let's unbox it. I'm gonna put this thing down, aren't I? Let's put it down. You know what? I'm not going to talk about the box anymore. I'm just gonna pop the chassis out and take it from there.
20 minutes later.
There we go. The content of our box is another box. Inside is our cable ties, screws, nut, bolt, platings, casings. All of this is inside of our box, neatly tucked in. Let's put those aside for now. And here we have our user manual. Here we will be removing a styrofoam or not. There we go. I have to carefully lift the chassis up. There we go. There we go. Extra big boy right here. Let's strip it down. Hey. Look at the tempered glass right there. Boom. So I'm going to remove the housing, the cover of the case. There you have it. We're slowly seeing our chassis. There we go. There we go. Let's put it aside. And here we have the RX 78-2 ROG Helios chassis. Looks really nice. Here we have a tempered glass. Yep, tempered glass for the right side. Caution. Tempered glass ×3, handle with care. Okay. Handle with care. Let's see the back side first. We have already some pre-installed fans right there at the front. 3 of them. One at the back. Here's a quick look at the back of our case. This is where our power supply will go. This is where our motherboard will go. This is a slot for our GPU, I believe. So that's it for our backside of the chassis. And at the left side, this is a tempered glass, so we can see our wiring. How neat we can wire this for our first time building a PC. This is where our motherboard will go. If you guys remember, our motherboard has a RX 78-2 Gundam at the back. So you will see that here. So I guess that's about it for the left side of the chassis. And here is the front of our chassis. This is a tempered glass right here. You can see the RX 78-2 Gundam. This thing will light up once you power up the chassis. That's really cool, right? Here we have the Republic of Gamers, ROG. Here we have the Earth Federation Space Force. We have 1 Type-C and 4 USB 3.2. Here we have a switch for our fans, so that you can turn them off. And we have a switch for our LED lights, which you can set to mode, color, or MB. Here we have our reset button. I guess that's our power button. Yep, that's our power button. And we have a slot for our headset and microphone. So that's about it for our chassis. Is that all about that you need to know? Is that all about that you need to see for our chassis? If you guys already know, this is the ROG. They've been boasting about this, like how really comfortable it is, and yeah, I believe them. This is comfortable enough for a handle, and the handle, of course, has the Gundam mobile suit around them. So that's it for our chassis. that's it. This is the end of this episode. I hope you guys like this episode. If you guys like more videos like this, you can like and subscribe on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. I will link them down below. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or tips, you can comment down below and I will try to leave you guys a reply. That's it for this episode, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching until this episode. This is the last part of the unboxing series, and the next videos will be about building the RX 72 Gundam Cool PC set. So that's about it. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.